Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to transfer MBs GBs in one drive to another drive. This is my drive is empty already. Data is transferred in another drive. It is empty, check it. Okay, it's all data I will transfer in another drive because I will transfer in this file every GBs. Every data I will transfer another drive. Then let's start how to transfer GBs to another GB, means C drive. Okay, first go to my computer, right click, then go to manage. Wait a minute, I will see manage. Again I will show you. Click on manage, then wait a minute, it's loading. Okay, now it's go to device manager or disk management. Then I will show you this is 3 disks available. Okay, I will middle, this is middle. I will click on delete volume. Okay, click on delete volume and I carefully read this lines, upper lines. It just says all data is volumes. First you can transfer data in another drive. Okay, then okay, now it is unlocated. Then I right click on C drive, then I will extend volume. Click on extend volume. Next I will 40,000. I will type 40,000 because I want 40 GBs from E drive, E drive. Okay, type any GBs you want from another drive. I will type 40,000 means 40 GB. Okay, click on next and finish. It's a loading. Wait a minute. Okay, this is GBs also transferred. Okay, finally I will show you how is. Wait a minute. Okay, minimize. Go to computer, my PC, go to, and I will show you. This is my GB is increased. Focus. It is GB is increased. Check it out. It is GB 1 to 1. Now I will add the middle drive remaining. It is the 66 remaining GB. I will create a new volume. Next, no problem. Everything is default. Don't worry. Next, everything is default. Don't touch anything. Okay, now nothing, touch anything. Next, finish. Wait a minute. Now is my third drive is created. Waiting. Okay, now finally my drive is created. I will show you how to is showing. Wait a minute, minimum, close this and go to my PC. Click on this is my third drive. I will edit this. It is a 66 GB.